Hello guys, how are you today? We are going to have a class today about asking name. We have too many classes how to ask name. Today our format is spoken English, especially for us spoken English. So in too many ways someone can ask their name to others. It may be friends to friends, student to examiner, so interviewer to candidates, anywhere. Anybody can ask you name. So in how many ways someone can ask you name? So like you are going to your educational institution or sir or madam, how you will ask their name? So today we have this class, okay? So for sir or madam, how you will ask their name politely. This is our topic today, yeah? So that time you can ask, might I ask your name, sir or madam? Okay? So if you pronounce it like a native speaker, how you will pronounce it? Your accent should be like that, isn't it? Might I ask your name? Might I ask your name? Again, might I ask your name? Like that. Might I ask your name? Again, might I ask your name? For I wrote the Bengali, for this is the, if you read it, you can understand very well. And always we read it, but about the pronunciation, we can't pronounce it very well. We pronounce it like local. You shouldn't be expert in speaking, so your pronunciation would be very good, fluent, isn't it? So again, one more time, may I ask your name? May I ask your name? No, this is the might. Why is it might? Because it's for sir or madam. That's why somebody use may. Okay. May is also polite for the customers. Okay, so might is polite for the sir or madam. Or the who is people they are on stage on sir or madam or honorable, isn't it? On that case, you can use might I ask your name? Might I ask your name? So I wrote the Bengali meaning here. So I think you can read it well. So there is a difference between may and might. So if you want to ask someone's name like sir or madam, so how you will ask? Might I ask your name? This is the politeness, okay? You can see well. So asking about name, we are doing the videos short in single videos, okay? So if you want to learn more and more format how somebody asks name, okay? How someone try to ask someone their name, how they should ask. We will have a class on separate format, okay? So today's class is may I ask your name. Thanks for watching NITO Learning English. If you have any inquiry, you can comment and you can share our videos to others and subscribe our video if you like us, okay? Thanks. We'll see you soon with another topic, very important and crucial topics next time. Bye bye. Have a good day for you guys.